What is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, affiliates advertise the products and services of other companies on their websites and receive a commission for this. Affiliate marketing is an instrument with which performance marketing, data-supported marketing, can be carried out. It has firmly established itself in the advertising landscape on the internet. There are different remuneration models. What they all have in common is that remuneration is only paid in the event of success. This can be, for example, a click on an ad or a purchase made. The idea of affiliate marketing is said to have originated in 1997 at a party at which the Amazon founder was talking to a young lady about her website. The woman offered to market books on the website for a commission. Gradually, more and more partners were added who wanted to advertise third-party offers on their websites for a commission. Even today, Amazon is one of the big players in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is playing an increasingly central role in the marketing mix. In 2019, 74% of affiliates, 61% of merchants and 90% of agencies and networks were able to look forward to increasing sales, despite various hurdles associated with the topic of e-privacy. Many companies use affiliate marketing to market their products and services online. In affiliate marketing, publishers link to content from partner sites and receive a predetermined commission for this. Advertisers only have to pay for this when certain actions take place. This could be, for example, clicking on a banner or ordering a product on the website. Many website operators offer an affiliate program. In order to understand which publisher was used to access an advertiser's website, the links in the advertiser's advertising material are provided with a code. When the user clicks on an advertising material, cookies are also set with which the process can be tracked. Affiliate marketing can also be carried out via professional affiliate networks. These are platforms that bring advertisers and publishers together and bundle functions such as the delivery of advertising material, tracking and success measurement, as well as commission payments. Well-known affiliate marketing networks are ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo or Warrior Plus. The Amazon PartnerNet is a popular and widespread partner program. Affiliates can build their partner business here via the online giant. Advantages for advertisers. The goal of advertisers is to lead potential customers to their website, for example so that they can make a purchase there. By integrating their content on suitable publisher pages, advertisers have the chance that more interested parties will come to their website and can thus increase their sales. Affiliate marketing is an inexpensive advertising option for advertisers, because payment is only due if it is successful. With this form of performance marketing, advertisers have a very low risk. In addition to the possibility of higher sales, advertisers benefit from branding effects by integrating their content on third-party websites. Advantages for publishers. Publishers can make money by marketing third-party products on their website. To do this, they incorporate an advertising medium, for example a banner on their website that advertises a third-party offer. The publishers act as partners equals affiliates. Depending on the agreed remuneration model, the partners receive a commission for clicks, leads or sales, for example. Finding niches. Success factors for affiliate marketing. The US market is forecast to spend a whopping €8.2 billion on affiliate marketing in 2022 compared to $5.4 billion in 2017. If you want to get into the multi-billion-dollar affiliate business, you should search for lucrative niche and create a page to match. In addition to promising niche topics and generally high-quality affiliate texts, there are other factors that could drive affiliate marketing success. Mobile first. The use of mobile devices is also becoming increasingly important in affiliate marketing. As early as 2016, more affiliate traffic came from mobile devices than from desktops, and since 2018 the speed of mobile pages has also been a ranking factor. In the meantime, many companies and affiliates have adjusted their websites and shops or developed their own apps. An online shop should not only be responsive, the ordering process should also be easy to carry out via smart device and in as few steps as possible. Conventional compensation models in affiliate marketing. There are different compensation models in affiliate marketing. The affiliate's commission is calculated on this basis. Billing is performance-based for all of them, only if a previously defined service has been provided. Pay per click. Commission per click by a user on the advertising material. Pay per sale. Commission as a percentage of the sale. Pay per lead. Commission for each contact made by an interested party, e.g. registration or download. Conclusion. Appropriate remuneration for affiliates. In affiliate marketing, affiliates advertise the offers of third-party companies on their website for money. For example, blog operators can market their web space and make it available to partner companies, which can consist of signing up for a newsletter or selling through the relevant shop, for example. Affiliate marketing is basically a welcome opportunity for publishers to monetize their own content. Affiliates are personal sales partners with whom a constant exchange is profitable for both sides. In order to make affiliate marketing fit for the future, one should not focus on the last click, but rather identify and remunerate previously involved affiliates. A fairer remuneration consists, for example, in including assists in the commission model,